Good morning, children. We already studied about the five sense organs. First, we studied about the eyes. Today, we are going to study about the internal structure of an ear. You see in the diagram, this is the internal structure of an ear. This is outer ear, pinna, ear canal. It is in the outer ear. Pinna, you see that this is the outer ear. This is ear canal. It is also outer ear. Eardrum, it is the middle ear. And this cochlea and the auditory nerves are in inner. Auditory nerves are in inner ear. Cochlea and auditory nerves are in inner ear. So this is the internal structure of an ear. This is first is outer ear, second is middle ear, and third is inner ear. In outer ear, keep in mind pinna and ear canal is there. In middle ear, eardrum is there, and in inner ear, cochlea and auditory. Cochlea, this is the cochlea, and this is the auditory nerves. This auditory nerves gives message to the brain, and then we are listening and analyze by the brain what is wrong and what is right. So this gives message, auditory nerves gives message to the brain. This is the structure, internal structure of an ear. Cochlea has liquids and air that vibrates, and it gives message, it gives through the auditory nerves to the brain. Now we are going to explain about the ears. As we know, ears help us to hear different sounds in our surroundings. The part of the ear that we see is called the outer ear. Sound waves are collected by the external ear and pass through the ear canal. This vibrates the ear drum in the middle ear and the three tiny bones behind it. The vibration, earlier I told you, the vibration reaches the cochlea. Cochlea is in the inner ear. The vibrations reach the cochlea in the inner. The liquid and air inside the cochlea vibrates. These nerve impulses pass through the auditory nerves to reach the brain, and that is how we hear the sound. Apart from hearing, our ears also help us to maintain balance. Understood? So now I'm going to tell you about the ear. Ear help us to hear different sounds in our surroundings. The part of the ear that we see is called the outer ear. This is called the outer ear. Ear canal and pinna, it is in the outer ear. Sound waves are collected by the external ear and pass through the ear canal This ear canal, it is in the middle ear. Ear canal pass through the ear canal. This vibrates the eardrum. So when the sound pass through the ear canal, so this vibrates the eardrum. Here eardrum is in the middle ear. Eardrum is in the middle ear. So when this pass the vibration, it hammered in the eardrum. It hammered in the drum and pass through the ear canal. The vibrates the eardrum in the middle ear and the three tiny bones behind it. It has three tiny bones. 1, 2, and here 3. Three tiny bones behind it. The vibration reaches the From here vibration reach the cochlea. You see this there cochlea. The vibration reach the cochlea. The vibrations reach the cochlea. In the inner ear, the liquid and air inside the cochlea vibrates. Then nerve impulses pass through the auditory nerves to reach the brain, and that is how we hear the sound. So apart from hearing, our ears also helps us to maintain balance of our body in the environment. Care for the ears. Now there is some tips for caring of ears. We should follow the steps mentioned below to take good care of our ears. Do not use sharp objects to clean your ears. You may damage your eardrum. Second, use a clean cloth or towel to clean your ears only for outside. You have to consult a doctor if you have feel pain in the ears. Dry your ears well after taking bath and after swimming by the dry towel. You have to dry your ears. So this is your ear topic. Second sensory organs of our body has been finished. Thank you.